Welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we will be cooking oven. They look absolutely delicious. This is what goes into the oven. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Hi, welcome back to the show, and today we will be making some buttermilk mustard fried chicken strips. So let's get started with the marinade. Okay, we have 1 egg. And we have, let's see, what are we going to start with? A 1/4 cup mustard. And then we have 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. And we have 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. And then on the plate, we have a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt. And we're going to put that in. And we're going to mix that all together. Once it's mixed thoroughly, then we're going to place our chicken strips inside the Ziploc bag. And this is chicken breast. If you want, you can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs as well. Okay. Now we're going to put our marinade in the bag with the chicken. And we're going to rub everything together, massage it together. Okay. And then you're going to put this, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about
1 hour later.
Okay, now the chicken has been marinating for an hour, and we just took that out the refrigerator. Now we're getting ready to put all our ingredients together to make the flour mixture. Okay, so we have 2 cups of flour, and on this dish we have 2 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt. We have a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. We have a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We have 1 1/2 teaspoon of ranch seasoning. We have a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. And we have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 3/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our flour in first. Put all our seasonings in. And we're going to mix it. Okay. We need our oil around medium heat. And now we're going to start cooking the chicken. Make sure it's well covered. And we're going to let this fry until they're golden brown. And then we'll put it in another batch. Okay, now that the chicken strips are done, this is what they look like. They look delicious. Nice and crispy. And I also decorated the plate with celery and carrots, just in case, you know, you want to have a little vegetable with it. And a side of ranch. By the way, I forgot to mention that I cooked them in canola oil, just in case you're wondering. Okay, first bite. These are good. Nice and crunchy and a lot of flavor. You are definitely going to enjoy it. So if you like this video, which I hope you did, please push the like button and please subscribe and give me a comment on what you thought. If you made them, let me know how you like them. So with that being said, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.